This is of the building. Boiler room, right there. And there's like a 100-year-old boiler in that room, and everybody said you'll never get that out. But it's coming out. I just want to let you know we're going to be doing a little bit of work upstairs.
Okay, thank you.
So like in 20 minutes they got that hole punched out. So hopefully in the next maybe 2 hours we see the crane come and take that boiler out. So we pumped it up, jacked it up a little bit so it gets off the ground. They're gonna roll it over. I feel like the Lion King. Oh. Guy's lost his phone. Call it. I can hear it. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's in the crack. Your mom's calling. I don't know how he's getting that. That steel beam's carrying all the weight. Yeah. But I want to put a 2x6 or two or three of them bolted together to just carry the row of block. Okay. So we're going to fill this all in with wood. Then either here or here we're going to put window, 3 windows. I already have them. Like we don't really need to put headers for the windows because there's no weight. True. But we still should, just so we have something to glue to. I want it to be aesthetically nice. It's huge. It's going to be interesting how they're going to get it to the edge because a crane can't reach in, right? So they're going to have to get it as close to the edge as they can without it falling out. I don't care if it falls out. Once it's out, it's out. Piggy's in the air! We had these windows from another job we did left over from a commercial job, a design job we did. Yeah. So I want to put them here. Okay. Well, I want to stack them. Where's the ceiling going to hit?
5.5 inches.
Well, I want to drop it and then I want them staggered evenly.
Okay.
So we're going to drop a ceiling so we can insulate, run all our wires for lights and everything. It hits right there.
We should be safe.
So they're 27 inches. What if you went up 10 inches just in case there's baseboard and everything? So we got 10 inches, 27, then 4 inches, 27 again, 4 inches again. Perfect.
Okay.
The only reason we can get away with it, because this whole structure is steel bearing, like all the weight's on the steel. Everything else is just for show. It's just, there's no weight load on the windows or this wall. Cool. It's gonna look good. Thank you. put a closet, put this stuff in the closet. We'll build a closet right here. Are you like a baker?
I got some for you. This is the pressure gauge. You can pressure gauge yourself. So
You know what-
pressure you got?
Do you know what that is?
No.
It's a fart meter.
It's a fart meter, bro.
It'll tell you the pressure. Well, could you put a plug up there?
I was gonna ask you that.
Yes.
Plug or blank?
We could put lights up there or
Save
something.
the warning and the
Yeah.
lights.
So same thing on that end. But I'm
So
on-
now we're just gonna be talking to plug there, plug,
On the side.
and plug.
Okay.
So this can be a flat wall for photos.
Things you gotta do to
And you
take
have
it.
your-
And here's,
Yes.
You know what we could do is put hangers here and shelves for the steamer, for clothes.
Costume change. We did
You
hear
could-
about that.
yeah.
Is that live?
Well, but there'll be a panel on it. Does that look seductive if I kind of just keep it?
Yeah, keep it open like that,
Right here.
yeah.
Okay, let's go dry this sucker. Welcome to our filming studio room, blue screen. It smells great in here now, and that's what we turned it into because we film all the time now. Videos, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, we do it. We have our blue screen. I wish it was a little higher, but we have LED lights. We can dim, plugs in the ceilings. I love it, it's fun. Oh, one last thing I did. Let me show you. There was a big hole in the concrete that I told the boys, don't fill it, because here, let me show you. So I kept it as a putting hole, so I could practice putting. So let's see if I can get it first try. Yes! As easy as that. Stay tuned for more projects.